a Sender Authentication Package, that is SAP. SAP is must to have for a Salesforce Marketing Cloud Engagement org. What is SAP? SAP registers your domain inside Salesforce Marketing Cloud, your company's domain inside Salesforce Marketing Cloud. It makes your Salesforce Marketing Cloud org branded with your organization's domain. So for account branding, we should use SAP. SAP is a package which you can get from Account Executive. The other benefits of SAP is you can register your private domains. Private domains are essential for sending emails. For example, from my organization, I used to send various different kinds of emails. For example, I send both commercial and transactional emails. The domains of the subdomains of email sends are different. If I am sending a commercial email, I am using info@peoplewhoskills.com or education@peoplewhoskills.com. But if I am sending a transactional email, suppose somebody purchased my course and I have to send them an invoice, I am sending invoice via no reply at peoplewhoskills.com or no reply at sales.peoplewhoskills.com. So there are multiple subdomains I want to register within Salesforce Marketing Cloud to create different sender and delivery profiles for multiple send classifications. In order to do that, I should have a private domain which comes as a part of SAP package. Then we have cloud pages inside Salesforce Marketing Cloud Engagement org. Cloud pages are the micro sites you can create inside Salesforce Marketing Cloud which are hosted on the browser. You get a URL. For example, you want to create a survey form, a lead capture form, or a small information site of 2 or 3 pages to display for your customer. You can create these stuff inside cloud pages within Salesforce Marketing Cloud Engagement org. So these cloud pages require custom domain, a domain which is branded as per your organization's domain policy. If I am hosting a custom domain for People Who Skills, then that domain should contain People Who Skills as the hosting custom domain. So for cloud pages, SAP provides a custom domain which is essential and essential part of your SAP package. Then you have dedicated IP address. Dedicated IP address is the IP address which is allocated to your Salesforce Marketing Cloud Engagement org. A dedicated IP address makes sure that your organization is not on shared IP. There are 2 kinds of IPs inside Salesforce Marketing Cloud org, shared IP and a dedicated IP. Shared IP are the IPs which are shared among various Salesforce Marketing Cloud Engagement orgs. Suppose there are 3 different companies and they are sharing the single IP, then it is called as shared IP. But there are drawbacks of shared IP. You can only send 250,000 emails per month. Or the other and major drawback is if somebody is sending spammy contents and if they got spam multiple times, it might impact your sender reputation as well. Your emails might also get spammed, blocked by internet service providers, and your emails might also not reach your subscribers' inbox. That is why you should have a dedicated IP. Once you get a dedicated IP from Salesforce Marketing Cloud from Sender Authentication Package, you must do a IP warm-up. IP warm-up is a process where you gradually increase your send flows. You have millions of subscribers, but you have a new dedicated IP purchased. You cannot send millions of subscribers emails on day 1. You have to send and gradually increase the send flow so that the internet service providers get to know your new IP address. So you have to send, for example, 1000 email today for gmail.com, and then tomorrow you have to gradually increase to 2000. Then next week you have to gradually increase to 5000 for gmail.com subscribers. Multiple type of domains, multiple different guidelines of IP reputation. So you must read Salesforce IP reputation document to understand how you can gradually increase the send flow across multiple domains to create a better send reputation of your IP. If you do not get a dedicated IP, your send reputations might be affected, and if they are affected, your email might go to spam, which is a nightmare for your organization. So make sure you have a dedicated sender profile as well, dedicated IP as well. And the last but not the least, reply mail management, which is also a part of SAP package. If somebody replied to your email, so you should host that email into a company branded inbox. So reply mail management is a process to receive replies from your subscribers against your email sends. Those replies are stored inside a dedicated inbox so that a concerned person can go and act on those replies.